Well, here it is, my new XP Deus. In this video, I'll take you through what comes with the kit and how to assemble it. In this kit has a X35 9-inch coil with remote control and WS4 headphones. Now let's take everything out of the box and get started. Alright, accessories that come with this kit are charging leads, single and a three-way charging lead, armband, coil charging clip, nuts and bolts for connecting coil to lower shaft, controller cover, in this box we'll have the 240 volt USB charging adapter with spare charging lead. Here are the WS4 wireless headphones, which also can be used as a remote control for your coils with spare earphone protectors. Easy to remove, to clip to stem or onto shaft of coil. Simple to fold away, pack away, or back in its case. Now we'll remove the shaft and lower stem. Easy to extend and adjust, which is the click of a switch. Now here we have the remote control. Now this remote control has connection for the shaft on the back, speaker, and also has a port for the USB, and a port for the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now we also have underneath the X35 22cm 9-inch coil. Now always read the instructions carefully and thoroughly to get the best use of your detector. But for now, let's have fun. Alright, so we'll start with the armband. Here, all you have to do is pull the armband through the eyelets and adjust to required size. Now let's remove the lower stem to make it easier to assemble the coil to the lower stem assembly. And as you'll see on the lower stem, it's got adjusting points, so that way you can set to exact length every time. Now The parts come in a bag with instructions printed on the bag, which will come in handy as well if you forget what page on the instructions to find the assembly. And once you have the bolt, nut and washers all fitted and assembled, tighten your coil to the desired tension so that way the coil can still move on the lower shaft but still be firm so it stays in position. Refit the lower shaft to main stem, and now we'll go through the fitment of the remote control to the upper shaft. And on the back you'll see there's a point or a yoke where the control connects to the upper shaft. Here you remove a little plate for when you don't want to have the control on the upper shaft, and slide down, press until it locks in, and there you have it. Your detector is set up, ready to use. Alright guys, thanks for watching.